Factor 12a cubed minus 9a squared plus 4a minus 3. We are going to factor this by grouping. What we're going to do is we're going to group the first two terms in parentheses, like so. Make sure there's a plus sign in between, and group the last two terms in parentheses, like so. Factor each parentheses. I have a 3 and an a squared in common. So if I factor out a 3a squared out of u, that leaves me with 12 divided by 3 is 4. Take away 2 a's from 1a. 3 a's is 1a. Minus 3 and 3. Take away both a's is that. Okay? Now it also just so happens that we already have the parentheses for a minus 3. So what I have here is something times 4a minus 3 plus invisible 1 times 4a minus 3. Why don't I factor out the parentheses? And when I factor out the parentheses, that leaves me with 4a minus 3. And what I have left over after I factor out the parentheses is 3a squared plus 1. So this factors out to that. You can't do anything more. You can't do anything more. We are finished.